Hi, not so long time ago I made a knife out of coins, and Silver International left a message and said, well, we probably soon will see some armor made out of coins. Now this intrigued me a little, and so I started researching, and there are plenty of pictures online where you can see bullets that stop the coin. But I couldn't find that much about actual coins used as armor. And my first thought was, okay, well, I know that in China they used jade as armor, and here we see a very famous prince in his jade suit in Wuhan. And if you ever are in Wuhan, please go to the Provincial Museum. It's worth going there. But looking further, I actually did find coins that were used as armor. Now here you see two pictures. These are primarily used by Native American tribes that were living on the west coast. And this one is from a Native American tribe called Tlingit. I'm not sure if I pronounce it right. And they were very much interested in coins, pretty much Chinese coins from 1643 roughly till 1735. Now the reason they preferred these coins was that they're much larger and heavier than the coins that were later made. And the way they got these coins was that they traded with the Boston seafarers that would trade tea with China, and they also traded with the Russians that were interested in the fur trade. And until roughly 1804, they traded with the Russians, and then they would use them on their clothing. They would have a layer of wood, deer hide, and then they would have these coins on the outside. And there are stories from the Russians that it was very difficult to fight against these Native American tribes because they would actually stop the bullets if they were far away. Now, this is a coin from the Kangxi period. And here we have another picture where we can see how these coins were made. Now, I will show us a short little video how armor was made. And that's it. If you like this, please subscribe and share. And thank you for visiting.